Hello students, in this video we will discuss about triangles. This is the chapter of class 9 Maths NCERT. What is a triangles? You are already familiar with this topic from junior classes. Triangles is nothing but this is the closed figure which have three sides. That means if we write the definition mathematically definition of triangle, then a closed figure which have three sides is known as triangle. This is the sign of triangle. This is the mathematically definition of the triangle. Some students define a figure which has three sides is known as triangle, but this definition is wrong. A figure which has three sides is not a triangle. A closed figure which has three sides, that means all three sides should be closed. Then we can say that figure will be triangle. There are many type of triangles. That means actually these are the four type of triangles. First is right angle triangle, second is equilateral triangle, third is isosceles triangle, and fourth is scalene triangle. So there are mainly four type of triangles. What is the right angle triangle? That means if a triangle which have one angle is right angle. Suppose this is a triangle and this triangle, this angle is 90 degree. So this triangle will be right angle triangle. Second is equilateral triangle. That means if a triangle which have all sides are equal, this is known as equilateral triangle. And if a triangle which have only two sides, any two sides are equal, that means these two sides are equal, so this is the scalene triangle. And a triangle which have all sides are different measurement, that means all sides are different measurements, this is the notations, is known as scalene triangle. That means this is the right angle triangle. This is the equilateral triangle. This is the isosceles triangle, and this is the scalene triangle. There are four type of triangle. What is the syllabus? That means in the 9th class related to triangle. In the 9th class, we will study about the congruent triangle. What is topic related to triangle? That means congruent triangles. Our main topic is congruent triangles. Before the discussing or before the clarifying what is the congruent triangle, first we discuss about what is the congruent and what is the congruent objects. Congruent, since first take congruent. Congruent is nothing but if two objects or any two things are same in shape and size both. That means if two objects are same or equal in shape and size both, then we can say that both objects will be congruent. There are two things. First is shape, and second is size. Both things are different. Shape and size. Shape means only looking point of view, and size means measurement. That means if any two things are same in shape and size also, then both object will be congruent. For example, if we take two mathematics books of the 9th class released by released by CBSE board, that means NCERT. If two books of NCERT of the class 9 will taken, then both books will be same shape and size. Then we can say that both objects are congruent. That means both books are congruent. If we take two squares of the same size, that means this is the squares, both shapes are squares and side of both squares are 4 centimeter. Then we can say that both shape are congruent. That means we can define which object will be congruent if we put one object on another object, and if we look from upper side and only one object you can see, then we can say that both objects will be congruent. Now here there are two things. First is, if you take some geometrical figure as a square, rectangle, triangle, etc., then how to define both figures are congruent or not? That means congruent triangles, congruent rectangles, congruent squares, or anything. That means here there are two conditions to define congruent geometrical figure. Now in the next video we will discuss about what is the geometrical figure of congruency.